Hi. Oh, stop. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. Hey guys, how you doing? Uh, I'm okay. Well, I lie. That's about the only time I'm gonna lie. Is I'm not a happy camper. Um, why do you ask that I'm not a happy camper? You see, I'm not in my van. Yeah, still not in my van. I hold on. I'm trying to get my back up so I can sit up. Okay, I'll put that behind me. It's hell being short sometimes. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Um, okay. Oh, I'm crocheting. Um, anyway, let me tell you. I was going to tell you, I started to make a video yesterday or the day before, and I got mad, so I thinking, I better not show that video, because I do have a little bit of a temper. I try really not hard not to let it escape, because it can be scary. Oh yeah. Anywho, um, this is Sunday, okay? What is it though? 15th, 16th? I don't know what the hell the date is. Uh, any, anyway, um, Sunday. This last Monday, I took it in to get tie rods and my brakes worked on while I was in town. And they said, okay, we'll probably have to keep it overnight. And I said, well, that's okay. I've got that covered. I said, but I just want to let you know I live in my van and I need it back. And apparently he thought I was speaking figuratively. No. Anyway, Monday, no call. Tuesday, um, what happened Tuesday? I don't know if they hadn't got to it or what. Wednesday, I call. Oh, we got the wrong parts in, so we had to wait. Yeah, that was Tuesday. Had the wrong parts in, so we had to send them back and wait for more parts. So I said, okay. And yet again, I'm telling you, I live in my van. I need it back. Okay, we're working on it. We're going to work on it. Wednesday, I let it slide. Missed Sammy's doctor's appointment, so I have to reschedule that. Thursday, I call, and no, we haven't got to it. We're still waiting on parts. Really? Okay. So, meanwhile, I am thinking of all kind of crap I could be getting done on my van. I need to fix my solar because it's not doing what it's supposed to do, and Jackery is kind of dragging their feet about helping me. So I'm gonna try and work on it myself. It doesn't work anyway, so what the hell? I can't screw it up any more than it already is. Anyway, excuse me, Chinese. Mm. Um, and then I thought, okay, well, I'll sew a little bit. Well, my machine is in the van. Or I'll do this a little bit. It's in the van. I wanted some uh, oatmeal in the van. All my everything. My brother's trying to freeze me out with the air conditioner. So I am cold down here. But my sweater's in the van. So, uh, anyway, Friday I call. And they said, well, no, we haven't got to it yet. We're really busy and we're waiting on parts and blah, blah, blah. And I said, okay. And so Saturday morning, I was gonna go in there. I was gonna say, Patty, take me to the car company, okay? Take me over there. I need to speak to these people. And but I did you know what? I didn't feel like ending up in jail on Saturday because I would have got mad and it would have been so bad. Uh, so I decided I'll call instead of going over there. Well, I called. They said, yeah, we're almost ready to get to your van. And I said, listen, you've had this since Monday. What's the problem? You know? Well, you're getting at the top of the list. And and now I know they're screwing me around, right? And so instead of yelling at them like I so wanted to do, you have no idea. um, I, okay, and they were working on my van. The best part. I said, okay, how are my brakes? Well, they're a little mushy. And I go, what mushy? Okay, explain that to. Well, they're kind of crumbly. And I go, all right, fix them, because I want to leave here without a worry, not a worry in my mind about the van. And I said, okay, are you talking about the brakes or the brake pads? He said it's the same thing. And I go, I don't think so. Brakes are different than brake pads. But who am I? I don't know anything. I'm just a woman. So I said I want the front brakes and the back brake pads done. I swear to God, if I get in there tomorrow, if I get in there tomorrow and they charge me an elaborate amount of money for new brakes, I'm going to start a uh, GoFundMe page to get out of jail. So anyway, I've been trapped here all week, and I'm thinking, what the hell am I going to do? What the hell am I going to do? Well, I remembered I had some yarn in the garage, and I thought, okay, I'll get that out. And so I've been crocheting like a mad woman again, and I made a blanket, 2 pairs of fingerless gloves, uh, 3 slouchy hats, 2 regular hats, and 2 huge that will hold this size bottle. It's one of them tea bottles, Arizona tea bottle. I'll hold one of them. So I made 2 of them. And what else did I make? I'm working on another blanket. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. And what I'm planning on doing is I still have some video. Oh, God, it's hard to talk. I still have some videos from my trip so far that I hadn't put up yet. But I figured I better explain why I'm in a different state when I was supposed to be at my brother's. So I just want to let you guys know that that's what I'll be doing. And, oh, I do want to show you my blanket, okay? Okay, I call it Sedona, all right? You like it? um, the good thing about this blanket is that by putting buttons, about 3 buttons on each side of this, I can make it into a little jacket. Or you can either use it as a blanket or it's not a shawl, not a jacket, it's something. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, that's took me a couple days to do. So I like it. Anywho, that's it for now. So just, heads up, I'm going to be putting some other videos up, but I'm not anywhere right now. Or am I? Anyway, guys, take it easy. All right. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment. Is there anything else? No, I don't think so. So that's my plug for today. Oh, one more thing. I do have my Amazon up, and I put one link. It's to, where is that stuff? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, this stuff right here. Okay. It's amazing hand cream. Oh my God, it's wonderful. And for any stitchers out there, uh, working with yarn, your hands get really dry. So you need moisture in them, okay? And this does not stain. So that's my only link right now in my videos. But it will get you to the link. It will get you to Amazon through my link. So I would I think you got to do it. When you go in on my link, you have to buy it or purchase it. Same thing, dummy. Within 24 hours. And then I get credit for it. So, hey, that's my spiel. So, anyway, take it easy. Take a long way home. Woo!